What's good, YouTube? We back at it. We had a car meet with my boy SE Camry. Got Mercedes. What kind of Mercedes you got, Adi?
CLS 550.
Feel me? Oh, bro. Hold on. You know we stayed with the kicks. Come on, YouTube. You know what I mean? Got my partners. BMW. Forgot what this bitch is. 430i. Come on, this shit clean. Okay, y'all know my SXE Camry. You know I go red guts on them though. Can't even open my door. Feel me? Hey, yeah, see, this is what I was talking about in my last video, my Toyota light. You feel me? So now y'all can see it better at night. Got the red to match with the interior. Feel me? Coupe on the Medis. Okay, cool, YouTube. But yeah, we out here, you feel me? It's some nice shit. But I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around. We gonna walk around this bit. I'm gonna start back when we get to moving, but I'm gonna just show y'all some shit passing by. They got this Chrysler. This bitch right here, clean. Wait.
Look, he got that.
Oh, he got stereo on the back of that John. Okay. That boy turn. Feel me? Oh, bro, got my boy Naraya. He the one who drive the BMW 430. You know what I'm saying? But that BMW clean. There's some shit out here though. My boy Kubras, why everybody windshield crack? I told y'all that's just how the game go. My boy windshield crack too, bro. But it's okay, we dug it. Our shit's still clean. That's that Beamer from earlier. Making all that. Okay, cool. These are the same Beamers from earlier. Got Infinity. Mustangs out here. I mean, get a better look at them. These trucks. Okay, cool. Okay, we got the Mustangs out here. Apparently that was that dude's old truck. Feel me? Oh, bro. Apparently that was the dude's old truck. Atl Car. Okay, Mustang. Cool shit. Scat group right there. Okay, Scats.
Hey, medical. Stop recording.
Got some Scats over here. Put it in regular view. These bitches hard. Got a cat. Bitch is hard. But they need to stop playing that. That shit sound like 12. Beamer. Another Beamer. It's some overly smooth shit out here. Like when I first put up, I'm not gonna lie, I thought like, oh, this shit like some regular shit, but nah, they got some geek shit out here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That gold Beamer. Got all them being lined up over there. Oh, we gotta go get over here. Hold on. These mugs so clean. Oh, let me zoom out. I'm sorry, y'all boys. I'm all zoomed in. My fault, chat. But oh my lord, these bitches so clean right here. I'm talking about what? These bitches clean, bruh. Bro, go red guts and this shit. Okay, SRT. It's Daytona. Not no SRT, but I'll take it. Some smooth shit. We finna go slide back down here. I'm gonna get back to y'all boys. Hey, we back. Okay, we got this Q50. This Q50 real clean, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with this Q50, bro. This bitch real clean. That mug nice, but it got the 360 cam. Back, ooh. 400R, okay. These mugs right here are clean. Ooh, you got the Cobra. Come on, that mug is so raw. Okay, we got the Tesla boys, you know, good on energy. You feel me? You gotta respect it. You gotta respect it, because they definitely will walk some shit out here. But yeah, it's some overly cool shit. Truck hard as hell. I ain't gonna lie, I like the little squatted trucks. People be hating. Oh, let me get out there. These boys tripping. Oh, he dogging that John. Scat. This shit's hard. Lexus. Okay. Smug. Y'all 0.5 view. Let me show y'all this doing cool right here. Oh, bro. What he got on this shit? Car Meets. What it say on the side? Oh yeah, this bit raw. I ain't gonna lie. Got the truck. Oh, the vet side. Bitches Subarus. That Subaru's hard, bro. I always like them bitches. I just don't know how to drive no stick. I know how to drive a clutch on a dirt bike, but I don't know how to drive no stick car. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna fake it. I'm automatic all day. You feel me? These Chrysler 300s hard as shit. You feel me? These bitches overly smooth. Chrysler 300s cool. The bikes. I fuck with the bikes. Y'all know I just told you I ride dirt bikes. I get a bike, but I kill myself on these joints. These bitches hard though. That motherfucker hard. That BMW with them wings on it. That shit hard. That powder blue cool too though. Gonna match with the car. That bitch raw. I ain't gonna lie.
They gonna see. No, you can't see.
D-Mud so hard. But it's some decent shit. What? Brother got some crazy shit on the front of his car. This bit right here, cool. It got the tongue out. Whoa. Tell him that bit get nasty. That bit is hard.
I think this one my old side. I remember
It's clean right there, bro. Before it moves, come on, that bit's hard. Yeah.
they're ripping early.
And here go my shit. Y'all know we gotta appreciate it. You feel me? I was wondering where y'all boys is at. Meet back up. That, yo. But yeah, bro, that's really what going on out here. You feel me? I ain't show y'all my boys shit. This shit raw. He be pushing the hell out of it too, bro. Get busy in this shit. That interior clean, bro. Interior on this joint clean.
No fat chicks.
No fat chicks. You feel me?
Boys on the e-bike.
But yeah, it's popping out here. Go over here, show y'all boys this last final stuff. Oh, let me get out of Buddy way. Oh, shit hard. This is your 06 clean, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker so raw. Mustang GT, cool. Got another GT with a 360.
Yeah, your ass. He said, hell no, goddamn.
Bet. Yeah. Legit. Feel me? Oh, this 3.0 T, this bit clean. These boys be tripping just leaving they shit on. They need to stop playing that damn siren. I be thinking it's 12 every time, bro. But yeah, this shit is, it's cool, bro. Put my camera down so I don't put my tag on there. Feel me? I got the root on to match my.
Hey, Isaac's here.
Oh, my homeboy?
Yeah, Lopez.
Where you at?
I don't know. We seen his shit on the back. What does he do?
I don't know. Come my boy shit. My boy up here, you feel me? Yeah, hell yeah. My boy out here. His BMW hard. He lived down the street from me. I ain't never put his shit in my videos. My boy, what going to? Yeah. This bit clean. I be bro, twin. I be seeing your shit in the neighborhood. I be hearing you pop that bit. I be like, yeah. What going, twin? My boy. What going, Joe?
What's going, son? How you
Going,
doing?
man. Smooth, twin. 500? Damn. Oh, yeah. One day you gonna have to scoop me and just geek up. You feel me?
Bro, I can go like 160 somewhere. I got it up to 163.
Yeah, hell yeah. That bitch smooth. This bit hard, though. Hey, bro, when you be going that fast, it be smooth or it be like wobbly? Okay.
Bro, I go 100, it feels like 160.
Yeah, facts. That's smooth.